We were hoping that this concession would not necessarily result in a net loss, even though we have really made provision for a reduction in our revenue forecast. We are hoping that firstly, when you reduce the tax burden on taxpayers, you encourage them to comply voluntarily because they no longer feel that they are excessively overburdened.
The Finance Minister expects that when people have extra cash in their pockets, they would spend more and thus the government would recover what they have lost through value-added tax.
We also expect that if we reduce transfer duty rates, we enable people that may otherwise not be able to afford housing to acquire houses. And when they acquire houses, of course, it means more construction, more taxpayers, and more taxes paid on value-added tax, and also on transfer duty itself. And with regards to corporate taxes, we are expecting that the corporates would have an additional cash to reinvest and employ more people, and therefore contribute to growth and also broaden the revenue base. So we are hoping that these concessions are not only going to put extra cash in people's pockets, but they will also inject income into the economy and therefore support a higher growth of the economy and more jobs to be created and therefore additional revenue to come to the state.
To put matters into perspective, a person that earns $7,500 per month will now save $567 on income tax, while those earning $15,000 per month will score more than $1,000. Those earning a salary of $50,000 or less per year will not pay income tax at all. This was usually the case for an income of $40,000 or less. Francois Olivier reporting for the News on One.